while.
Well, I joined but expired.
Well,
But I don't mind. You know what I mean?
looks like here we are again.
I think there'll be a meeting next.
Oh, almost got hit by a car. That was good. Looks like people are filtering in. Slowly, slowly. What are you looking at? Huh? Yeah, Ron's got to be in a bucket already. What are you doing in there? You trying to steal stuff already?
Solid gold hidden in here.
Oh, digging for gold again? Oh, jeez. Yeah, a lot of stuff here. There. And the backs of cars. And got more stuff here. I don't want to see the back of Ron's back. But this is Boomtown. Boomtown Hamfest. Oh, sure, you got to have coffee, huh? Jeez. Can't get away with that. Looks like we got more stuff.
If it's over 50, it's in short.
Oh, well. No, it's okay. It's all right. If you're getting a shot, that's fine. Yeah. Oh, well. I got one of those myself. One of sailboats.
Do they actually sail? Or
Oh yeah, those have never
remotes.
been in the water. Brand new.
I missed those. Do they actually?
Yes.
Of course, Ron had to stop for coffee. There he goes. More stuff. And brake stuff. Some have a lot, some have very little. So we'll take a look down here. And what do we see? Oh, we got more stuff laid out everywhere. Oh my goodness, camera's going nutso. Okay, so
I'm
got
sorry.
parts.
I can't stop it.
More parts.
He says you got my number in your phone. I know. No, Craig. I don't want your number.
I have no comment. I won't say anything to be held against
Parts
me.
everywhere. And there's more stuff. I got some of that stuff myself. But yeah, you got one of those. HW16, I got one. What I'm really looking for is parts.
Gotta find something that you thought was, you're sure it's a piece of your truck, but you have no idea where it came from. No.
Mobile radios. Okay, I'm down the end. So I'm going to turn around, go the other way, and I have no idea what that is. Oh, we have tubes here though. Let's see. Well, I'm not old enough for what I need. I need UX201A for the Atwater Kent. It's coming. So, and that's the Heathkit power supply. I've got two of those. I got one of those myself, and there's two of them. Oh yeah, more stuff. Oh yeah. Well, guys just came, just dumping stuff off. Something else. Okay, now he's gonna try to see how the antenna's doing. I could have figured Don would have had a loop antenna out here. Oh yeah. There's Don. He works over at Hammond Hi-Fi along with other places. So he's out here. More antennas. I'm going to stop for a minute here. Regroup. Well. Okay. And more stuff coming in. It's a Zenith Transoceanic right there. S20R, I have one of those. Let's see if we can get closer.
Antenna tuner.
Oh yeah, see, we're still dragging stuff in. Let's see what we got here for sale. Oh yeah. Back up a little bit here. Our marketing tools here.
Who owns this slot?
No, that's me.
It's you. Okay.
Dead motorcycles for it. Great.
MFW Rex. I'm not.
There's an old military
That's
one.
the World War II.
Yeah, that's a military one there.
That's the newer version of the one
you have?
the 474 that I had. This came out later.
Ah, yeah.
Antenna?
This also, you still use the hand crank.
Hand crank generator on it, yeah.
Let's see. CR284.
Oh, yeah.
But,
Give me my 10 back and you can have some.
and then, oh, we have all those. Wait a second. Oh, he's got the frequency counters up there too. Yeah.
Man, haven't seen this shit since now.
So, yeah, more stuff. And then, down below, what else is for sale? So, oh yeah. More stuff. Oh geez. And even non-amateur radio related.
Yeah, it's a power
steam.
supply.
That's it.
It's a power supply.
supply.
With a bicycle generator on it, it's a power supply.
There you go. That's steam engine. Who would have thought? You find one of these here. Of course, the guy had that other guy down there has got this radio-controlled sailboats.
Yeah.
He said they've never been in the water either. Oh yeah.
It's a power supply.
Yeah. Steam generated power supply. Let's see.
You know, if you want off-grid living, there you go.
I guess, yeah. So, who said nothing shows up here? We're still bringing more stuff over.
Don't break that box. It's got to last for
Yeah.
a couple of years.
Yeah. Gotta last through a couple more handfests. Yeah.
Sounds like it was a lot of fun.
There you go. Perfect display. There you go.
He wouldn't let anyone help him.
Oh well.
Okay, we're all done.
You're all done. We're done in, as they said.
His wife got a hold of my wife. I
wanted CZs.
I walked in, I'm like,
Still looking for motorcycles?
Yeah, I gotta be down to just.
Get this on camera.
You need a couple of bucks?
I gotta get this on camera. Watching these two guys buy more stuff again.
He's
that we need like a hole.
Yeah, you need like a hole in the head. Exactly.
Howard, this is my brother Larry.
Yeah.
You're his brother?
I'm his brother.
I'm
yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, I know. I know. Everybody says that too. Yeah, I know. What can I say? He's addicted to all this stuff, you know.
It works good now.
Good.
Yeah, it finally works without pain.
It looked like it was.
He was in pain for a month after it. He said, "Oh no, nothing's going to happen."
I'm fine. I just didn't want to have.
So I guess Ron bought that.
We're set.
Okay.
So you got everything together now?
There we go.
All your funds are together? Okay. See? Okay, I got it now on film. We just transferred it from one group to another. Okay, so.
Is that original World War II dust on that thing, Rex?
Yeah, original World War
I
II
don't
dust.
charge extra for
Or is that Silver Springs dust?
Oh, yeah.
It's not Silver Springs.
Well, there you are.
What about the cobwebs?
And yeah,
Those are
cobwebs are thrown in
spiders.
free. Yeah. So, yeah. Here we are, wheeling and dealing here today.
Yeah, right? Right? Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ron,
Who's
go
got the
ahead and bought
hammer?
another one. Okay.
Oh, those are light.
There you are.
Come on, come on.
You saw it here first.
Well.
Okay. There we are. That's the end.